Stop using NotebookLM the old way. If you think it is just a tool to summarize static PDF files, you are officially getting left behind. Google just quietly upgraded this tool to NotebookLM version 2.0. The core breakthrough is everything happening under the hood. It has become an agentic AI assistant with its own secure cloud computer that automatically runs code, surfs the web to fill your data gaps, and exports directly into fully editable working files. Here is a critical warning for business owners and working professionals. This entire suite of agentic research and dynamic file export features is currently rolling out in phases. Right now, these specific capabilities are exclusively available on Google AI Ultra accounts through the Google One AI Premium tier before they roll out to other versions. In today's video, I'm going to test the sheer power of this new Gemini 3.5 Flash model and its agentic infrastructure. We will use one real-world example from start to finish. This entire workflow will prove to you how the philosophy of being grounded in your data completely changes the game. So here is the first thing you need to see. The new slide tool inside the Studio panel is an absolute beast. When you upload a massive technical document like Enterprise Customer Integration Specification and ask it for a roadmap, it builds a complete presentation called GLC Legacy Integration Specifications in just seconds. These layouts are beautiful, crisp, and so precise that you can literally take them straight into your next corporate presentation without making any manual tweaks. And look at what happens inside the actual slides. NotebookLM does not just give you basic bullet points. It automatically generates high-tech dark mode visuals and detailed illustrative diagrams, mapping out full architectural schemas, inbound order ingestion flows, and cryptographic constraints perfectly. Right next to that slide deck, you can hit the new Reports tool to instantly compile a clean corporate report from your sources, giving you a structured executive summary that gets straight to the point. Real quick, if you want more simple AI prompts and breakdowns like this, head over to aifire.co. We send out daily AI tools, tips, and workflows, all built for people who want real results instead of random guesses. It's free. Go grab it, then come right back. Alright, but the single biggest feature is coming to the AI Ultra Premium tier in the future. Google is dropping fully dynamic file exports. When you download the PowerPoint file, you will actually be able to click and edit every single text box, change the colors, and drag shapes around manually instead of dealing with dead images. My quick take on this is that while the default templates might look a little plain, the sheer accuracy and the ability to modify everything directly makes it an insane asset for your daily workflow. Next is the agentic loop feature. The old web search tool on the left operated completely in the dark, with zero awareness of what was inside your notebook. But this new agentic infrastructure actively cross-references your current content with the real world to hunt down your blind spots, while keeping you in total control through a closed feedback loop. Let us move to the finalization phase of our coffee shop plan. I type this prompt, analyze the current coffee business plan in this notebook. Based on our source and previous discussions, what critical market data or customer behavior insights are we currently missing for operating in the US? Look at the screen. The thinking process line appears. The AI is systematically listing our blind spots, like local demographics for specialty coffee consumers and this year's legal regulations on biodegradable cups in the US. Then, the AI stops and asks me a direct question. Should we proceed down any of these avenues? This is the user approval step. I type my confirmation prompt. Yes, please proceed with deep research into the local demographics and the latest eco-friendly packaging regulations. Now the AI triggers a live Google search, sweeps the internet, and drops a highly detailed analysis report with real source links straight into the chat. To add this to our system, I just click the import button on the screen. Boom. The entire report and the new web sources instantly jump over to the source panel on the left to expand our knowledge base. Next up, you need to see how NotebookLM handles heavy data analysis. Forget about reading endless rows of numbers or trying to summarize spreadsheets into clunky text paragraphs. The new version acts like a private data analyst because it uses an internal cloud computer to run code and cross-reference multiple raw files simultaneously. Look at the right panel again, because the data table tool is where the real magic happens. Watch the screen as we upload multiple raw spreadsheet files into the system, including cost matrices and sales tracking logs. Once you select the files, you can type a direct prompt asking the AI to cross-reference the data, calculate the exact return on investment, and find the core conversion trends. The system immediately goes to work under the hood, running live calculations across every single dataset without requiring a single line of manual code. Look at the output populate right here. It does not just spit out a boring wall of text. It generates a perfectly structured data table displaying clean columns, precise metrics, and clear mathematical breakdowns. It even flags internal anomalies and invoice errors automatically, organizing the chaotic raw data into a pristine business dashboard that is ready for your next executive meeting. This completely changes how you manage company reporting. You no longer need to spend hours writing complex Excel formulas, building pivot tables, or fixing broken formatting manually. The system does all the heavy lifting for you, giving you accurate data tables that let you spot critical trends in just seconds. NotebookLM 2.0 demands a total shift in how you work. This is no longer a tool just to summarize someone else's knowledge. This update centers entirely on the philosophy of being grounded in your data, turning the platform into a secure workspace built exclusively for your internal corporate files. So here is the playbook. Gather all your raw data, messy ideas, and financial sheets. Treat the AI like a real research assistant. Force it to find gaps using the agentic loop, approve its research directions, make it analyze numbers by running code, and let it export dynamic PowerPoint and Excel files you can take straight to your meetings. Have you checked your account to see if you have this dynamic export feature or the thinking process tab yet? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel for the most practical automation workflows for your business. I will see you in the next one.